I'm going to give you a broad overview on how to get started with Corjl. First, go to the Assets section, click Upload Images, and upload any images you'd like to use. Next, go to the Fonts tab and upload any custom fonts. Then go to the Designs section, click Create Design, enter the design name, along with the canvas dimensions, and click Start Designing. You'll notice the images you just uploaded on the left-hand side. Click and drag an image over to the canvas, then under the Fonts tab, click any fonts you want to add to the design. Drag a text box over to the canvas and enter your text. You'll also see the fonts that you just added to the design in the right-hand drop-down menu. Click Save, then go to the Listing section, click Create Listing, and enter a listing name. Drag any designs over that you want to include in the listings and be sure to check out the settings below. If you'd like to include any instructions, you can also do that in this section here. Finally, go to the Integration section, and if you've already connected your shop in the global settings, you can link your Corjl listing to a shop listing here by entering the listing ID. Click OK, and your Corjl listing will now be connected to your shop listing. So that's a broad overview on how to get started with Corjl.